Today we are going to perform the experiment number 7 as per the RT syllabus, and its object is study and implementation of Wien bridge oscillator and observe the effect of variation in oscillator frequency. So to perform this experiment, the required apparatus are cathode ray oscilloscope, experiment kit, digital multimeter, power supply, connecting wires and crocodile probe. And for reference we use this manual. In this manual, this is the theory part regarding this experiment, and this is the circuit diagram of this experiment. This circuit diagram is designed using BJT, and this is the feedback part, Wien bridge oscillator, procedure, observation table, and this is the waveform of this experiment which will perform on the CRO, result, discussion. So this is the theory part. So to perform this experiment, we will move into the practical part. So for practical, first we have to check the experiment kit. This is the experiment kit of Wien bridge oscillator. To perform the experiment, first we have to design the circuit diagram. Actually this circuit is internally connected. We have to connect a little bit wires. So first we will connect this feedback network or Wien bridge oscillator with this amplifier. This amplifier is designed using 741 IC. So this resistor will be connected to this, and this capacitor will be connected to this wire. This is connected with this amplifier. So to take its output, we will connect crocodile probe at the output terminal of this experiment kit. So this is positive and this is negative. So switch on the CRO and see its output waveform. So this is the output waveform of the Wien bridge oscillator. So in this waveform, we have to calculate time period of this waveform, and by time period we will calculate its frequency. So to calculate time period, we will take its one cycle, and it is covering 1, 2. Almost it is covering 2 division. So T will be 2 into. It will be multiplied with the time per division switch. This is 0.2 millisecond. So for frequency, we will 1 by T, and we will calculate its frequency. This will be practical frequency. After calculating this, we will compare this practical frequency with its theoretical frequency, and theoretical frequency will be calculated by this formula, and we will take output waveform from this CRO. We can trace it, and we will calculate frequency in this way. So this is the Wien bridge oscillator. Thank you.